What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this episode, I'm excited to bring you my review of the Nike Air Force 270 Command Force. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We're about to hit 30,000 subscribers, and the moment we hit 30k subs, we are giving away a brand new Yeezy Zebra courtesy of our sponsor Shoe Freak PH, as well as an Epic React Flyknit. So if you guys are interested to be able to join that contest, you have to subscribe, you have to follow on IG. The moment we hit 30k subs, I'll release another video explaining how you can be part of the giveaway. I am a huge fan of the Air Force 270 silhouette. This is the Command Force, the latest one that I copped. But prior to this, I actually also got the Air Force 270 Olympic. This is the one that I also did the review on, link down below just in case you guys haven't watched that video yet. And prior to this one, the first ever pair that I had of the Air Force 270 was the Safari. This was the OG 270 colorway that I picked up when I first saw the Air Force 270. Now, why do I love this color, this particular silhouette? It's all about the character, it's all about the personality, it's all about how aggressive and futuristic and modern it is, and how bold it is. It doesn't say sorry for anything, it's just loud, crazy, and fun. Now, I really wanted to cop this colorway. This is called the Command Force colorway, mainly because I'm such a huge fan of the Air Max 270 Dusty Cactus. And as you guys can see, it has a lot of similarities when it comes to the colorway. You have the white, the black, and the teal or hyper jade or whatever color it is that you want to use to be able to describe the Command Force colorway. And that's the reason why I wanted to cop this particular pair, to be able to go side by side with the 270 Air Max that I already had in my collection. Now let's have a quick history lesson, shall we? Why is it called the Command Force? It's actually inspired by the Nike Command Force sneaker, which was endorsed and used on court by David Robinson. David Robinson, of course, is an NBA legend from the Spurs. He's one of the most iconic basketball players, at least for my generation, and I was even able to watch a few games of him playing with it on TV way back then. And his colorway featured this exact colorway, which they call Hyper Jade. I think that's the color of the blue teal thing that you see here with the bubble, as well as the other accents of the sneaker. So this shoe draws its lineage and inspiration from the Command Force colorway, the Hyper Jade colorway of the Nike Command Force. What are the things to love about the Air Force 270 Command Force? Number one, we really have to talk about the colorway, guys. This colorway is just so epic, and it's just so sick. I think it's one of those things that you either love or hate, or love or you don't really mind. For me, I'm on the extreme side of loving this particular color. I just love how the blues or the teals or the hyper jade, whatever you want to call it, mixes and pops because of that white background, and the black just gives it a little more depth and a little more character through the overall feel of the sneaker. I mean, it just pops, and at the same time, it's so cool. Now, I mentioned that another thing that I love about this silhouette is the character. When I say character, it's all about the different textures in the shoe, because usually when you find the sneaker, it's very one-dimensional. It's made from three material stops. You have the upper, you have the sole, and then you have the outsole. For this one, you just have a plethora, a bunch of different kinds of materials, which gives the sneaker so much more life and so much more depth. So you have that suede or nubuck material here at the forefoot. Then it becomes neoprene as it goes up the tongue tab. That neoprene also stretches here at the back, and you even have a pull tab with Air Force 270 written here at the back of the pull tab. You have some sort of leather material. I'm not sure if this is synthetic leather or whatever. This white material that you guys see here, and that glossy plastic black swoosh as well here on both the left and the right side of the sneaker. Adding to that, you also have a leather patch, a really unexpected nice leather patch on both the lateral and on the medial side. Now, that's not just for show, because it gives more structure and support for the sides of your feet. Now, if you move down to the midsole, you have your typical foam over here, but they added a little more spice to it by putting some sort of splatter of color together with that gradient fadeaway color of black, teal, as it becomes slowly fades into some sort of brownish cement color down here. Then, of course, the highlight of the sneaker, as we all know, are two things. Number one, you have the 270 air unit here at the back, which is the biggest air unit that Nike has ever made. It's called 270 because of the 270 degrees. Not only does it give you so much more pop in terms of personality and color, it also gives you additional inches to your height. So if you're vertically challenged, the 270 silhouette, be it the Air Force or the Air Max, is something that gives you a little boost. So boost, pun intended, so that you add a little more to your profile. Now, of course, the other thing that's very unique about this sneaker is that magnetic strap that you guys see here at the top of the sneaker, at the middle foot of the sneaker. Now, this can be polarizing because not a lot of people really like it. It can be tacky to some people, but for me, I just love it. It helps with foot containment. You can pull down on this so that it's a little bit more snug. So it has some sort of functional benefit. And I just love how they put one accent at the clasp by putting that same hyper jade color here at the pull tab. Lastly, while it is a big sneaker, while it does have a lot going on, it is a very comfortable sneaker to wear. Now, I won't BS you guys and say that it won't be something that you'd feel after wearing it for hours. Yeah, you will feel it. It's not going to be the most comfortable shoe that you will ever find. There will be much better options out there if you're just looking for comfort. But if you're looking for a striking, aggressive, unapologetic, loud, vibrant, but cool sneaker, then you really might want to check out the Air Force 270, especially in this Command Force colorway. Now, this pair sells for a little over 8,000 pesos here in the Philippines, or approximately around 190 or 180 US dollars. The good news, though, is that you can get it at discount if you are a member of the Titans Players Club, or TPC. That's an automatic 10% off. So I was actually able to cop this pair at 7,200 pesos instead of the 8,000 something pesos retail price. So make sure that you guys save up those receipts and ask Titan on how you can be a member if you are a sneakerhead collecting different kinds of basketball sneakers, Jordans, and at the same time, Air Force 270. Now, having said that, I need to balance this out a bit. This is not a need type of sneaker. This is a want type of sneaker. And that's where the lesson of this vlog will come in. A lot of sneakers that you guys will come across are mostly wants. Wants are things that you don't need in life. They're nice to have. They're things that will make you feel a little bit happier, that will make you feel a little bit special, but they are kind of superficial. They don't really add value to your worth as a person, or they don't really make you so much more cooler than you think it is, because that's not really the case. So this sneaker really falls under that category. There are a lot of sneakers that can be a need for you. You can look for like running sneakers. You can look for like dress sneakers so that you can be more formal when you have special occasions in life. So those are the sneakers that might fall under the need. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't buy sneakers like this, but I'm just saying that you should be mindful of the money that you guys spend on shoes. So if you have the extra budget, or if you are saving up for a pair because you really want that, then make it a motivation for you to work harder. Make it a motivation for you to save more. Use sneakers to have some sort of positive impact in your life, so they're not just a money sink or a money drain. Treat them as a reward, treat them as incentive, and most importantly, when you get them, make sure that you wear them. And that's probably me convincing myself to already wear and un-DS the Prestos Off-White that I unboxed a few days ago. I'll put a link to the video of that one in case you guys haven't seen that yet. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Please do make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. We're just a few hundred, well 2,000 subscribers away from hitting 30,000, which will unlock the giveaway. I am so excited to be able to raffle away the Yeezy Zebra as well as the Epic React Flyknit to two of you guys out there. Now, I will be giving away the mechanics because it will be different for both. So I have a special mechanics that I already have for the Zebra, which will be the usual way that I give out the sneakers. But the Epic React Flyknit, I'm thinking of giving that away once we hit 30,000 subscribers exclusively on IG. So watch out for the mechanics the moment we hit 30,000. Now, based on our trending, I see that we will probably hit 30,000 sometime around Thursday. So I'll probably release the mechanics of the giveaway sometime around Friday or Saturday. So watch out for that, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on IG. Peace. God bless.